In this video, I'm going to show you an AI automation that I built that replicates Alex Hormozi $100 million offer book, so you can get the same output without having to spend 5 to 6 hours reading the book and doing the exercises identified in there. As you will see in a little bit, all you have to do is fill in 5 to 6 questions in a form and you would get the output exactly as if you read the book and did the exercises. If you stay until the end, I'm going to show you how you can have access to this form so you can get the same output that I'm going to show you now in this video. So let's get into it. All you would have to do is come into this form, and I'm going to show you the backend in a little bit. You have to come into this form and fill in a couple of inputs. So these are the questions that Alex asks in the book that you have to answer in order to be able to do the exercises. We'd start off with the email that we want to send the final product so you can get the document. And for this use case, I prepared a couple of inputs so we don't need to spend a lot of time writing them. So we're going to be doing process automation for coaching communities with more than 200 students. Their biggest pain point is that they have too many manual tasks in their day-to-day. Our unique capabilities is that we can automate 80% of this, and the results we guarantee is 80% time save with a pricing structure of a one-time fee of 15,000 USD. What this will do is trigger this automation, and here you can see that the inputs that we filled will come here. So the product, the ideal customer, the pain points, the capabilities, the results, and the pricing structure. And you can play with this, meaning you can try it for different use cases, for clients of yours, or for different offers that you might have. And based on this information, it will follow the exact step-by-step methodologies outlined in the book. So it will start by identifying the problems, the deliverables for those problems, turning the deliverables into how-tos, then creating a value proposition, structuring the offer, creating the most optimal pricing strategy, then formulating a guarantee, adding scarcity and urgency onto it, doing the full offer, and then these are pretty much large language models that will structure the output as I want it. And after about 1 minute, if you came into your email, you would have received a document in case you do this yourself, with firstly a table like this, which is the problem identified, the deliverable for that problem, and the how-to for that problem. And I can zoom in a little bit. So for example, for the problem, time-consuming manual processes, slowing down coaching operations, this would be how to automate your coaching workflows to save 20 plus hours per week. For the problem, inconsistent student experiences due to lack of standardization, how to deliver a consistent high quality experience for every student. And I'm going to read through a couple more how-tos. How to efficiently manage and support 200 plus students simultaneously, how to streamline communication between coaches and students, how to accurately track and measure student progress in real time, how to personalize coaching content for each individual student. Now, for example, right now it's how to pretty much achieve desired outcome. If I wanted, I could play here with the prompt on the how to in order to format it like without main pain points. Let me explain what I mean by this. So for example, how to streamline communication between coaches and students without having to hire 10 plus CSM, which is community student management. Okay, so you can play, not because you didn't build this automation, but if you were to build this automation, you could play with the way the output is structured. I kept it simple just for demonstration purpose, but yes. The next thing this automation will do is create your value proposition. So here are 3 value propositions based on the information provided. So we help large coaching communities automate 80% of manual tasks, freeing 20 plus hours weekly to focus on business growth. Or we empower coaches to efficiently manage 200 plus students simultaneously, delivering consistent high quality experiences at scale. Again, we could add here the without pain point 1 and pain point 2. Or finally, we transform coaching operations, eliminating repetitive admin work and enabling coaches to monetize their expertise effortlessly. Okay? So up until this point, let's recap. You would have, because we're not done yet, you would have submitted this form. You would have gotten this document in your email about 1 minute after. This form will take you maybe 2-3 minutes to fill, depending on the clarity that you have regarding what you do, whom for, and what problems you are fixing, because you want to give detailed and relevant inputs to your use case. You don't want to just keep it simple like AI automation, coaching communities, too many students. No, you want to actually get into depth. For example, the owner of these coaching communities have too many students joining their community each day, and they are struggling to give the one-on-one touch to each that they sell in their marketing. This is resulting in a lack of students' success that long term will jeopardize the whole operation, because without student results it's impossible to market successfully. No results equals, excuse me, because I have a new keyboard, so I'm not most up to date to the button. So no results, no case studies to use in marketing. Okay, fill all of this and you would get this document. And then this is the final offer, how it would look like according to his methodologies. Of course, you could come here and bold this a little bit. I didn't do it because I wanted to keep it simple for demonstration purpose. But here's how to double your coaching revenue while working less. You'll get all of this. So this would be the deliverables identified and the value. Remember the value stack in the book in case you read it. Total value 67,000 USD. So you can, one, transform your coaching operations, eliminate repetitive admin work, monetize your expertise effortlessly, and deliver high quality experience at scale. And here are the without that I was talking about. Without burning out from manual tasks, sacrificing personalization as you scale, and struggling with inconsistent student experiences. Who this is for? Coaches and coaching communities with 200 plus students who want to scale their business while maintaining quality and reclaiming their time. Your investment options, so basic one-time fee, and this is not very personalized. Why? Because here and the current pricing structure, I didn't go into much depth. I just said it's $15,000 and I didn't say what we do. So for example, I could say for $15,000 they get the whole operating system that they can plug and play into their current operations, 500 a month support. This includes troubleshooting and 2 extra features per month, for example. And this would then be, our document would be more detailed. Our guarantee: we promise you'll double your coaching revenue within 90 days of implementing our VIP coaching automation accelerator system. If we fail, you'll receive a full refund of the investment, no questions asked, plus you keep lifetime access to all the software and bonuses as our way of apologizing for not meeting our promise. Limited time offer, blah 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 blah. This was generated by our automation. Now, what ways do you have of using this? 1, you can use this when creating your offer. 2, you can use this when optimizing your offer. 3, you could give this to your students. So let's say you have a client acquisition coaching community, and one of the first steps is repositioning their offer. And typically you do it by jumping on a call with them, speaking with them for 1 hour, understanding what they do, who they target, the problems that they fix, and then repositioning it. Instead, what you could do is provide them this form. They would get this document, and then depending on how the level of attention you want to give them, instead of, for example, having a 1 hour call, you could have a 20-minute call with them, go over this document and be like, okay, this is how you should do it, final offer, and just come together on the final offer. And you would spend 20 minutes instead of 1 hour. Or if you feel you could productize this, you could use this and charge for it. Okay, now let me put this in full screen. If you want to have access to this document, it's going to be the first link in the description. No strings attached. Try it out for yourself. We limit your usage to 2 usages, so I don't get burned in terms of API costs, because I'm friendly, but I'm not that friendly. I'm not going to give everything away from free. This has been all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. No fluff, no animations, no editing, authenticity. This is what I built. This is how you can try it. I'm not here to fool anyone. So yeah, if you like this, tell a friend. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.